Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Past Question. Question 33. It says the interior angles of a polygon are 3x degrees, 2x, 4x, 3x, and 6x. Find the smallest angle of the polygon. A, it says the angle will be 80 degrees. B says 60 degrees. C says 40 degrees. And D says 30 degrees. Now, the first thing you do when you are given a question, the first step is to what? Identify the polygon. You identify the polygon. Now our question told us that our polygon has 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means our polygon has 5 different angles or 5 different sides. Now the formula for finding the total sum of interior angles of a polygon is sum of interior angles. Now sum of interior angles can be found by using the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now n is the number of sides, and we just explained that our number of sides is equal to 5 sides. This polygon has 5 sides, so I say identify the polygon. The polygon is a pentagon with 5 sides. We counted the number of sides. Now, so to find the sum of interior angles, we have that what? 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Now this 3 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now 3 times 180 degrees gives you 540 degrees. Now this question is asking us to find the smallest angle. The smallest angle will be 2x. 2x will be the smallest angle. But now to find 2x, we'll have to find x. Now how do we find x? We have that the total number of angles is 540 degrees. So we have that 3x plus 2x plus 4x plus 3x plus 6x gives us 540. Now why I added everything? Because these are the interior angles, and we just found out that sum of interior angles is equals to 540 degrees. Now if you solve further, if you sum up everything, you get 18x. Now 18x will be equal to 540 degrees. Now this 540 degrees, x will be what? 540 divided by 18. Now 540 divided by 18 will give you 30. It means that our x is equal to 30 degrees. And I told you that the smallest angle here will be 2x, because 2 is the smallest number. So our 2x now, our 2x will be equal to what? 30 times 2. Now 30 times 2 will give you 60. Now 60 degrees is the answer to this particular question. That's option B. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.